Wake up and move. Justin Arnold back here again at Flex MP. We're in their TRX Tuesday. And this is another series in hardcore TRX movements, some challenging movements that you're probably not doing. And again, we brought you something last week where we had people questioning TRX and their difficulty and whether they were challenging or not. And so we showed you. And some of you reached out and was like, whoa, that was pretty hardcore. Bring us some more. So that's what we're doing here today. And today is all focused around pulling motions like pull-ups, and we're utilizing the core, we're using the biceps. Again, some more challenging movements that get you moving better, feeling better, and living better. And these will definitely be some hardcore stuff. So whether you're a bodybuilder or you're just looking for advanced strength training movements, definitely add these to your routine. Now, if you're a beginner, we'll show you some modification in the video as well. So stay tuned for all that in today's TRX Tuesday. Okay, so like I said, we got three movements here. Two of them are going to be a pull-up, and one's going to be a bicep movement. I'm not going to show them in any particular order. In fact, I'm going to show you the bicep one first, and that you might want to do at the end of the workout, or this could just be separate on its own if you like arm day splits or something like that. But anyways, what it's going to look like is you're basically going to do a bridge to a bicep curl, and I'll show some progressions during it. But basically, you're just going to bridge up and then bicep curl. Notice where my elbows are, my fists are. We're not doing an inverted row. That's a great movement, but we're doing a bicep curl. So bridge, curl. And if you know anything about gravity, because it's so inverted, this is really challenging on those biceps. So again, if you need to progress or need to even just warm up, you might decrease your body's angle, squeeze, bicep curl, okay? Or it might just be where you're just doing the bicep curls, okay? Make it a little bit easier. Oh, and handling, I forgot to talk about that. Notice where they're kind of at. It might be different for you depending on where you have your TRX straps hanging, but just keep that in mind. Mine are like above the knee here. Okay, next one we're gonna do kind of like a hollow body hold, pull up to reverse crunch. So we're kind of in that hollow body. You're going to bring those knees in, so reverse crunch. And then you're just gonna pull your body up. Again, something really hard. Now, if that one's a little bit more challenging, similar idea. You're gonna do that inverted row and add a knee drive. And you could always put your feet on a box if you're looking to level up. So inverted row, knee drive, or feet elevator on a box, inverted row, knee drive. When you elevate that box, that makes it a little more challenging. And then your next level is that one on the ground. Okay, next one, we're gonna do kind of like an L-sit pull-up. So still kind of start on that ground, but go ahead and come up to here. So you're doing a little bit of a crunch pull. You're going to, actually need to scoot back because you want this like your joints stacked, your hips all the way up to your head. So again, crunch up like that. Actually, let's bring these up a little bit more. More range of motion is going to make it a little harder. So see, you might need to adjust, and you'll figure it along the way. So again, crunch up. Crunch up. There we go. That's a workout. Just like that, one more. Now notice I'm activating my abs, then I'm pulling up, and then that L sit. Now, why wouldn't I just want to use a pull-up bar? You could. Nothing wrong with that. The cool thing about TRX, if you notice they're all over the place, you have to stabilize out a lot more. So those smaller muscle groups that are super important but often neglected that help really are key factors in preventing injury, and then also helping out if people deal with joint pain by stringing those stabilizers. But the stability, not only in your arms, your back, you have to work against that. Your core as well, because the straps are moving. They're not in a stationary place like a pull-up bar. So a lot of benefits to them, definitely a lot harder than that. But we're not just here to show you stuff that's really, really hard. We're here to show you and tell you about the benefits of it. So the instability of that TRX strap, taking these challenging movements and applying some of this to it is, again, help you move better, feel better, and live better, because it's going to get you stronger, help with definition, going to prevent a lot of injuries along the way, and then it's going to take your training to a whole nother level. So there's more reasons to it, but those are just some, and we hope you enjoy these ones. We hope we hear from you if you are trying these ones out. And if you're still not sure where to put these in, how to do them, or what to do with them, let us know. We're here to help guide you through your personalized training, whether it be at home, at a gym, or wherever you're at here at Flex MP. So anyways, thanks for tuning this in. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped. As always, take care, good luck, peace and love. Hey, thanks for checking out videos just like these. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click on notifications below to stay up to date on all these videos that we post here throughout the week. And again, tag a friend underneath if you think they might benefit from these videos. And if you need further training or further information or a little more personalized programming to meet your needs, we can create a customized roadmap to meet your needs here at Flex MP. Just click on that link below. Again, contact us today at Flex MP to get you moving better, living better, and feeling better.